Welcome back to Full Course Online. In today's video, we're going to explore every part of File Explorer in Windows 11, from the toolbar to the preview pane. I'll show you exactly what each section does and how to use it, so you can manage your files like a pro. To open File Explorer, click the folder icon on the taskbar or pressing Windows and the E key together. The Explorer window is divided into three main sections. The first on the left side is Navigation pane. The second part is the main body of the Explorer, where all the files and folders are shown, depending which area you have selected in Navigation pane. The third row is Detail pane. This pane can be enabled or disabled. This shows the details of files or shows the preview of video or image file. In the top right corner, you will see the Minimize, Close buttons. Hovering over the Maximize button reveals the Snap Layouts panel. I have another video on how to use Snap Layout. Check this video. Then there comes Address bar. It shows the current location and the whole path of the file or folder. When you click inside the address, it changes to the path where the file or folder is stored. Search box is located on the right side. Windows 11 uses improved search algorithms, making it faster and easier to find files, folders, or even system settings. To search for Word file, I am typing .doc file, and the list is shown containing text files. Now let us explore the menu. For that I have to open a folder containing some files for demonstration. Certain options are disabled unless you select a file or folder. The first item is New. Click on New and this will open a small menu, where you have the option to create folder, office files, or compressed folder. Once a file is selected, the options for Copy, Cut, Share and Delete are enabled. You may also want to sort a long list of files. Similarly, you can change the view of the files by selecting extra large icons, or small icons, or with details. You can also enable or disable the detailed preview pane from here. Once disabled or enable, the right pane appears and disappears. The preview option shows the content of the file selected. If it is image or video, it previews the image or video. Some options in the menu are contextual and only appears when related file is selected. For example, when the image is selected, you can see three other options are visible. Now come to the Navigation pane. Click Home button brings you to the main screen of Explorer. Clicking on Gallery opens images, audio and video files. Right now, there are no files. Let me add a folder. Click Add a Folder button, browse for a folder containing images or media files, and select it. And now you can see the items are listed in Gallery. If OneDrive is configured and connected, you can access it by clicking on OneDrive icon. Right now we're not connected. If you want to learn about OneDrive, from installation to configuration, and want to learn everything about OneDrive, there is a complete playlist on this channel. The link is given. At the very bottom of the Explorer is Information bar, which show the number of item in the folder and the size of the selected file. In Windows 11, the Cut, Copy, Paste, and Rename icons have a fresh new look compared to older versions. They work the same way, but may take a little getting used to. Right-click the file or folder and you will be able to see these options on the top of the menu. And that's it. Subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you.